The first charter flight carrying Chinese nationals evacuated from Sudan arrived at Beijing Capital International Airport from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia on Saturday morning.
I'm here at the Saudi private aviation terminal of Jeddah Airport, Saudi Arabia. The Chinese people who evacuated from Sudan will take the Air China charter flight CA090, which will take off from Jeddah on 28th afternoon. This flight will bring more than 300 passengers back to China.
现在大家心情都非常激动，然后非常感谢咱们祖国给予的一切的帮助，然后祖国是我们坚强的后盾。
只要出现困难和危机的时候，我们中国的外交人员都会走在第一线，在困难和危机面前做留守者和逆行者，全力维护我们在当地公民和机构的安全和合法权益。
Two Chinese Navy vessels have successfully evacuated the first batch of 678 people from Sudan, who arrived at the Saudi Arabian port of Jeddah at around 3 p.m. Thursday Beijing time, according to an official statement. The first batch of evacuated personnel consists of 668 Chinese citizens and 10 people of other nationalities.